Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard channel. This is your English practice question of the day series. So today's question is a vocab based question, word usage question. Let's quickly try. Please pause the video and try the question. Then we'll of course discuss the answer. Even after that, if you have any queries, do mention in the comments below. Okay, now in this question, the word given is onus, which is a noun word meaning responsibility, or you can say one's duty, right? Or responsibility. Now, this word is used in all the given three sentences. You have to figure out where is it correctly used. There is an onus on staff. Usually we use on after onus, right? There is a load or burden on the staff. Onus, there is a responsibility on the staff, such as junior hospital doctors to make use of the resources to effect an early discharge, to produce an early discharge. Here it is definitely showing the meaning of responsibility, so it is using the word correctly. In any event, the onus would surely lie with the advocates of restriction of liberty. Now, the onus would surely lie means the responsibility will lie with the advocates. It will be their duty. It will be their responsibility. So here also the word is correctly used. The examples suggest that the onus is on the recipient. See, the burden is on the recipient. The responsibility, you can say duty, is of the recipient. The burden is on the recipient who somehow satisfies the expectations created by the tellers, right? So noun word, it means burden, responsibility, or one's duty. These are the context it is used in. So hopefully you understood this. All will be correct. All the sentences are using the word correctly, so your answer choice will be B. For these questions where they give you a particular word and use it in various sentences, you have to be familiar with the meaning a little bit, otherwise you will not be able to answer. So one word can have more than one meaning, right? Two contexts, or used differently in three different contexts. You should be familiar with all the meanings of the given word to answer these questions correctly of word usage. We'll try more such questions. Thank you and stay tuned with Oliveboard.